The tools you will need are an adjustable spanner, a 2mm hex key. Isolate both hot and cold water supplies. Turn the tap on to check that the isolation has been successful and put the plug in to ensure that nothing gets lost. Remove the lever handle using the hex key. You'll need to remove either the handle prong or the red or blue insert to access the grub screw, dependent on the model variant used, and pull the handle to remove it. Unscrew the chrome decorative shroud. Use the adjustable spanner to undo the cartridge retaining nut. Pull the cartridge to remove it. Rinse or soak in descaler as necessary. To replace, check the body housing to ensure that no debris is present. Flush if necessary. Grease the O-ring and the base of the cartridge using a suitable silicone lubricant. Insert the cartridge into the body, ensuring that the locating lugs on the cartridge line up with the lug holes in the body. Replace the cartridge retaining nut using the adjustable spanner. Screw on the decorative chrome shroud. Replace the handle, pushing firmly down on the handle to locate it fully home, and tighten the grub screw using the hex key. Replace either the prong or the cap. Unisolate both hot and cold water supplies and check for leaks.